Where to buy dehumidifier. Way 1. Buy from dehumidifier shop near me. A dehumidifier shop is an establishment that sells portable dehumidifiers and its related products only. No matter if you are looking for a 20 pints or moisture absorber dehumidifier, you would be able to find one. The said shop also stocks different in all the new dehumidifier in the market. Advantage of buying dehumidifier from local shop near me. Number 1, you can check the functions of the dehumidifier in real life. A shop like this allows you to see if the dehumidifier is good or not. Number 2, furthermore, these dehumidifier shops have sales assistants who help you find the best product for your needs. The salesmen survey you and recommend a portable dehumidifier that is best for you. Way 2, why buy on an online instead of a physical location? We are not advising you to forbid yourself from buying dehumidifier in physical stores. However, there are still some prominent benefits of buying a dehumidifier online. Number 1. Convenience when buying one from online dehumidifier shop. Most people are out working when the dehumidifier shops are open. This makes it impossible to go to the physical shop and buy the products. However, this is not a problem with online stores. You can shop from the comfort of your home or office. Number 2. Better price than local dehumidifier store. Almost every online dehumidifier store offers discounts and coupons. There are also Chrome extensions such as Honey that find discount codes for you within seconds. All of these factors together. Number 3. More buying dehumidifier options. While shopping for dehumidifier online, comparing product prices is easier. If you think one site is selling your favorite dehumidifier for a higher price, you can check another store with a click. More details and professional review, please check the link in the description.